1, 2.
Katie Bullamore's pet parrot might just become the best part of your day. Katie and her parrot Barney live in Yorkshire, England, and it sure seems like they're having a jolly good time. She told Radio.com that she never really teaches Barney to do anything. The creative creature just picks up on things. Like saying, "How do you do?"
How to do? How to do?
And even the Spongebob theme song.
Spongebob, Spongebob.
While owning a parrot does seem like a ton of fun, Katie warned that the animal requires a lot of attention and are only great pets if you have free time.
Barney.
We might not be buying one anytime soon, but we can't get over this amazing bird.